So this is the Make with Moto road trip. Been traveling around the U.S. and they already went. So we're in Kansas City right now, and they're going over to the East Coast. Hopefully they'll stop. They're stopping in Chicago. I think for Northwestern, maybe they'll come visit Columbia Station 1. And they tow this VW behind them. Did they say that they tow this car?
Oh yeah.
So they tow this old VW, and with their big Mercedes van that's covered in Velcro tape that people put stuff over, and is filled with very expensive 3D printers. And they have hackable Android phones that have Arduino Duets on the back of them hooked into the serial port. How did you make these?
We didn't make them, but
Oh.
we're on tour, so it's very convenient to be able to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
We can sit there 40 people.
So it's from a company?
Yeah.
Do you know what the?
Flexible Love.
Oh,
Flexible Love and.
cool.
These are Flexible Love. You can buy these online.
Oh, I didn't even notice the pedestals there. Oh, that's very cool.
Oh.
Oh, that's a great idea.